Hey everybody, so I do not own a chain grinder. I want one. I'll get one day, but in the meantime, so I have psoriasis. I can start to get psoriatic arthritis. So using a hand file kind of sucks. So what I did is I bought some of these 732 stones. So I'm gonna try freehanding and see how well this sharpens. We'll pick a tooth here. We will. Yeah, we'll do this tooth right here. That's pretty rough right there, so bear with me for a second. Okay, so we're just going to freehand this. I'm going to do a couple, but I'll bring you guys in after. Yeah, that's not a good start, because I didn't have tightened up enough. Like, first world problems, right? Okay, let's try and get that a little tighter. I have another Dremel that might be, or a rotary tool that might be specific for this application, because this chuck on here isn't actually that great on the extension. Okay. So I'll just take you guys in. I did 2 teeth, but that's the one I just showed you, and that's nice and sharp now. And didn't take much effort, so I mean I can keep doing that, and yeah, it's basically hand filing, but it's electric, right? Anyways, just a quick video today. Hope everyone's had a great day. Take her easy. Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I got the Johnson Red 625-2 sharpened chain. I sharpened that with the Dremel freehand. Just did a quick job, but anyways, we're gonna cut it. This saw is bone stock. I might throw this on eBay for way too much money and see if it sells. Yeah, we're gonna do some cuts with it. It's already pretty much warmed up. See what happens. Yeah, it's not too bad. It needs some more tuning, but I mean, it's strong. This wood's kind of small for it too, but yeah, if someone ends up buying this, they'll get a good saw.